Hi, and welcome to Getting Started with Semaphore. In today's video, we will be creating our first Semaphore project. We will connect an existing repository to this created Semaphore project, and we will also be running our first job. So the prerequisites for today's video are that you have a GitHub or Bitbucket account that already has an existing repository with at least one commit in it. You also need to have a created account on Semaphore with an already created organization in it. So let's get started. To create a project, we need to be on Semaphore's dashboard. We can click on this button here that's called Create New. And once we get to this screen, we have two options. One is to choose a repository. The second one is called Fork and Run. In the second option, you can test out various builds into various technologies. We will be using the first one. So let's click on Choose Repository. If your account isn't already connected, you can click on Connect Account. In today's video, I'll be using GitHub, but you can also use Bitbucket. So let's click on Connect Account. And now Semaphore is going to ask us for a few permissions. We need to click on Authorize. And once this is done, we will be redirected back to Semaphore. Here we can choose which repository we want to connect. I will choose this one here. And when you click on the repository that you want to connect, a wizard will start and you just need to wait a few seconds for it to finish. So let's wait for a few seconds until this process finishes. Okay, and now as you can see, the process is finished and we have an option to add people to our project. We'll be skipping this step for now and we will just continue to our workflow setup. Here you can pick any of the starter workflows that we have. We will be picking our single job starter workflow. So let's click on this. Looks good. And we need a few seconds for this to establish. And once this is done, we should be redirected to our project screen. And you can see our first job was also triggered. So we needed less than 5 minutes to establish our first CI/CD pipeline on Semaphore. And this is it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter or to our YouTube channel and make sure you also join our Discord community. The links are in the description below. See you next time.